Hola amigos y bienvenidos a Spanish the Fun Way Academy. Hello friends, welcome to Spanish the Fun Way Academy. I am Susana Lescano, I am the founder. And if your goal, your mission right now is for your kid to learn Spanish, you are in the perfect place. Let me tell you about our academy.
At Spanish the Fun Way, we believe that learning Spanish should be an enjoyable adventure for kids of all ages. Our team of expert native Spanish teachers is here to guide your child on this incredible journey. Our classes are perfect for preschool, elementary, middle, and high school learners, including homeschooling children. We have a professionally designed curriculum that teaches children how to speak, write, and even sing in Spanish. We follow the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages, CEFR, and offer classes appropriate for all levels from A1 to C2. But learning isn't just about textbooks. It's about making friends and having fun. We're ESL friendly, teaching neutral Spanish that can be understood worldwide and perceived as educated. Our students come from all around the globe, making Spanish the Fun Way a truly international community. Our highly qualified and experienced teachers are all native Spanish speakers who have been carefully background checked. They specialize in teaching Spanish to children and are committed to making the learning experience fun and effective. Sign up for a class today and experience the joy of speaking Spanish with Spanish the Fun Way. Thank you for considering us for your child's education. Feel free to contact us with any questions or class requests.
So don't wait, all of our magnificent native Spanish speakers are waiting to meet your kids. And they will have a great time, they will make friends. ¿A qué esperas? What are you waiting for? Nos vemos en la clase. See you in the class. ¡Mua! Adiós. Gracias.
Spanish the Fun Way Academy, where learning Spanish is a fun-filled adventure.